Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table for a data set. So here in this example, we have the data related to a number of stores spread across different countries, which have different amounts of sales, and you have other types of variable as well in this data set. But what we're interested to do is to learn how we can actually summarize this data into a pivot table. In order to create a pivot table, first click on your dataset. Because your dataset is currently arranged as a table, you can just click anywhere on this table, go under the Insert tab, and click on Pivot Table. When you click on the pivot table, you can see that this pop-up window appears, and now you can see all of this data has been selected. And your pivot table will be created in a new worksheet. Click OK, and now here you can see that the pivot table fields appear on the right-hand side of the screen, and this allows you to create your own table from the original dataset. Here we would like to see how much is the sales for different countries. So choose country as the rows, and you can see that country would automatically be placed under rows. And you would like the values to be the monthly sales for each country. And now you can see that the sum of monthly sales appear in front of each country, and the countries are automatically grouped together. So you have now all the sales for different countries. And now you can also create a chart based on the table you have now created. In order to create a chart, under the Analyze tab, click on Pivot Chart, and now click on this clustered column chart, which would show you how each of these countries are doing in terms of the total sales. You might also want to add other columns to your pivot table. So suppose you want to know how much is the coffee sales, tea sales, pastry, and sandwich sales for each country. And you can just easily click on those fields, and those would be added to your values. You may also want to change the type of your chart. Just click on the chart, and then under Design, change chart type, and you can easily click on the other types of charts that you want to change your current chart to. Now click on, let's say you want the stacked column chart. So now you click on the stacked column and click OK. Here you can see that now your data is being shown on a stacked column chart.